Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It is Nikki here. So as soon as you guys loved my last video, I thought I'd do another one on random stuff that I've bought that I didn't know I needed, right? I didn't know I needed it, but it's in my life and I couldn't live without it. So I thought, let's just go ahead. This is mostly from Amazon, but there are a few bits from like B&M, Sainsbury's. I just chucked a few bits in. So let me know down below if you like this video. Give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you also subscribe to my YouTube channel, and let's just get into it. Okay, so the first product is this jelly ball cleanser. Right, I'm gonna hold my hands up and say this is a little bit gimmicky, but I love it for that. I just love how fun it is. So it comes as a jelly ball, very, very squidgy. You put it in water, put it in a bowl of water, and then you just kind of massage it in between your hands. It froths up, and you use it as a face wash. I will use it as a face wash when I haven't got makeup on, so when I'm no makeup day, I'll use it. It's very similar to the Boscia ball or the Bliss pink ball. I'm pretty sure Amazon, it's from Amazon, but I'm pretty sure Amazon have different colours. I just love this turquoise one. I just think it looks super, super cool. That's what I've got to say about it, really. I mean, if you've got sensitive skin, I'm going to be honest with you, if you've got sensitive skin, acne prone skin, and you're using La Roche-Posay, or you're using Embryolisse, or you're using Ulla Henriksen, go for it. Maybe give this one a pass. This one is just a little bit of fun. Next, I purchased these hair clips. I feel like everyone, their mum and their dog has these hair clips now. I don't know where they came from. I feel like they came from the Runway. I don't really use them for the purpose that they're supposed to be used for. It's supposed to be that if you grip your hair, so if I was going to grip my hair here, it wouldn't leave like a crimping look in my hair if I was going to hold it there. For styling shoots, so say you're doing like waves or finger waves, it's to hold that wave without the clip crimping your hair. But I actually use these just because, if I'm honest, they look super, super pretty. They're flat in shape, they come in different colors, they just look pretty gripped into the hair, and I like them. And they're good for when I do like skincare. If you've got like strands, you just want to clip it on. Cute. Now, I do love me a good hair grip. These ones are super, super cute. I believe they're Korean or Japanese. Again, off Amazon. I stumbled across them. They're pink. They've got a baby's face on. And I was just like, you know what? They're so cute. They were a little bit more on the pricier side. I ain't gonna lie. But I just thought, grip your hair back. How cute. I mean, I would probably just leave these in my hair. I just like them. I love the vibe of them. I think they look super kawaii, is that what it's called? Just cute, and they do the job as well. Next, I have this CANON brush. Oh my gosh, I stumbled across this brush. I can't remember, I think I seen it in someone's IG video or a TikTok video, and I was like, I need that in my life. Really, really, really inexpensive, like £2 or £3, but really good if you want to style your baby hair. So when I have my hair scraped back, like in a sleek bun or pony, more pony, I like to just style my baby hairs, and this makes it so much easier. I'll use just a little bit of gel. I use the Eco Styling gel, and then I pop that on and I brush this just to get my little baby hair swings, and it works a treat. Next, I have this bad boy off Amazon. It's pretty big. I'm not even gonna lie. I had this for a good, I want to say like 3 weeks before I even picked it up. I didn't really see, when it came in the post, I was like, oh, did I buy the right thing? But this has been a lifesaver when I do my nail videos. Honestly, I clip it onto my desk. Then I film all my nail videos with my phone. So I put my phone here, and then I use the LED light. And this is really good because my nails take like 12 hours to do, so it's really, really late at night when I finish. And it's just super, super good for me to kind of use the light. Sometimes I'll clip my phone on it, sometimes I'll use my phone somewhere else. It's just really, really handy, especially if you're someone who's started taking photos or started Instagram or wants to do TikTok videos, and you kind of just need something that your phone sticks on. You don't want to keep like leveling it up against books, which is what I used to do. Just use this, and you can clip this little bit on to anything. Then sticking with technology, oh my gosh, this little clicker is inexpensive, but it will change your life. So it works with Bluetooth. It's a little controller. It says Android on it and camera, but I just use it for my iPhone. All you do is connect via Bluetooth to your iPhone, and then set your iPhone up, and you just use this to take your photos with. Can you do videos? I think you can do like videos as well if you're going to do IG stories. But say you want to be far away and you don't want your hand like taking the photo, then pop your camera up, pop your iPhone up, and then just click it away, and you can hide this clicker under, well, like this in a hand pose, and just click away. Honestly, just take photos. lifesaver. Next, I have these. I just think they're super, super cute. I'm someone that loves cute skincare, like very gimmicky stuff. I love it. I'm all about it. And my bae actually went to B&M. He knew that I was after these for a while, right? He went to B&M yesterday and he picked me up these lip balms. How adorable are they? This one is ice creams. This one is sweeties. Look at them, fruit salad refreshers. And then you've also got Twister ice creams. I just think he's so cute because he actually thought of me and he was like, you can use these in a skincare video, they'd be so cute. Which is so true. I just love them. I think they're so cute. And I think they were like £3 or £4 each. Really nice as a gift. Like, I might be like a little child, but I think they're really, really cute. Then I want to just put a disclaimer out there. I want to just quickly say I was sent this as a gift, but oh my gosh, has it changed my life. It's like an old school toastie machine. I love food, I love cooking, and this is so different. You can put it on electric and just the manual hobs. You can use it on both. But I made a tuna cheese melt in this, and oh my gosh, when I say it was divine, it was divine. I had like red onions in there, I had a little bit of mayo, and it all just kind of oozed out. This is a game changer if you love toasties. So say you're someone that just loves like a cheese and bean toastie, you like a veggie toastie, you like a steak and kidney toastie, any kind of like toasty thing, you can put any combination in here and toast it up with your bread. You will love this. You'll use it so much. It's actually quite inexpensive on the website, but it's just so cool. And then lastly, I'm going to share these with you guys because I get so many questions on Instagram. I love me some dressing gown robes. I do a lot of skincare and I love just to be cozy. Who doesn't like to be cozy? And in quarantine especially, wear your PJs, wear your robe. Who's going to know? Who's going to judge you, right? So I actually get mine from Sainsbury's. Sainsbury's do some of the cutest dressing gowns or dressing robes, whatever you want to call them. This is one that I've got that's super popular with you guys. You love it. I feel like I didn't wear this one in my last video, but I wore a different one, which I'm going to show you. They're both from Sainsbury's. This one's got Winnie the Pooh and Piglet on it. Super, super cute. They're a little bit more on the pricier side. I'm not going to lie. I don't know why they're so expensive because I don't know, but I love them nonetheless. And then this one is the Beauty and the Beast. This is Mrs. Teapot, I believe. This is the one that I think I was wearing in my Amazon video that you guys love. So this one is also from Sainsbury's. They're just super, super cozy. I usually get them just in a large because I just like to wrap myself up. I don't like anything too tight. Just want it really nice and oversized. They've got this really nice kind of like fur lining inside as well, just in the hood part, but they are like that woolly material, you know, which is really cozy. And that, guys, is my little haul. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. Let me know, do you want to see more down below, because I have turned into a shopping addict. I've got a really big delivery of Korean, Japanese, Taiwanese skincare coming soon. So I can't wait to see that. I might do an unboxing here. Let me know, do you want to see that? Also, I did have a couple of comments on my last video, but I wanted to ask you guys, do you want to see just my nail collection that I've bought solely off Amazon? Let me know down below, because it's like a huge collection. It's probably like 20 or 30 products, and it's all just nail stuff. Are you guys doing your nails at home? Let me know, because I've been doing acrylics. I'm going to start doing press-ons. Love doing nails at home, and I've bought all the stuff. So let me know if you want to see that video. Anyways, guys, I love you so very much, and I'll see you in my next video. Mwah.